Encountered an X2M file in search engines aren't giving you clear answers? This is an uncommon file extension that could belong to several different applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to identify and open mystery X2M files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any X2M file. Let's try the simple solutions first. X2M. Files are uncommon file extensions that may be associated with various applications, including specialized scientific software, financial tools, or proprietary data formats. Without context, the exact application requires identification through file content analysis or sender inquiry. X2M. Files lack a single standardized specification and may represent different formats depending on the originating application. The internal structure could be binary, proprietary, XML-based, or text-based, requiring file signature inspection to determine the correct format and associated software. The essential opener for the X2M structure is unknown software, developed by unknown developer. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows cannot unpack outdated structures, so sophisticated converters must be used. We are performing a vital check of your system's software. Right-click your X2M file and choose Open With. Test with unknown software first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple compatibility swap. If your X2M file isn't cooperating, don't worry. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, identifying the file origin. Contact the person or system that provided the X2M file to determine which application created it. Knowing the source application is the fastest way to identify the correct software to open the file. Check email context, project documentation, or system metadata. Next, inspecting file contents. Open the X2M file in a hex editor like HXD or a text editor like Notepad++ to inspect the file header. The first few bytes often contain magic numbers identifying the format. Search online for the identified signature to find the matching application. Finally, trying universal file identifiers. Use online file identification services, like TRID or Droid, to analyze the X2M file and detect its true format. Upload the file or run the local TRID tool, which compares the file against thousands of signatures and suggests likely software for opening it. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.